This is a twist on the classical Yellowbird cocktail. The Yellowbird cocktail is extremely popular in the Caribbean, especially in Bahamas and Jamaica. Let's make cocktail. I am going to begin with 1 ounce of Appleton Gold Rum, then 1 ounce of Myers Dark, 3/4 of an ounce of creme de banana, and 1/4 of an ounce of coffee liqueur. I'm cheating today. Generally, I make this one with Tia Maria, which is an original Jamaican coffee liqueur. But today, I'm going to go with Kahlua. And for the juice, it's going to be 1 ounce of pineapple juice and 1 ounce of orange juice. Add some ice and give it a nice shake. Strain the cocktail in an ice-filled cocktail glass. Here we go. Garnish with pineapple and cherry. This one is refreshingly delicious. Friends, cheers. The Jamaican Yellowbird.
Please remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you.